Welcome back. And to my new viewers, hello, I'm Gail Parker, and this is Gail Parker Art. As you can see, the colors are rolling across the screen, and we're doing a little time-lapse painting here. So follow along. I've mixed a little Payne's Gray with some cerulean blue and just a touch of black to come up with this watercolor. The color of the water, I should say. It's not a watercolor, it's oil painting. But anyway, I've started filling in the background there. And I've sketched out my white heron, and I'm going to paint around that. And since I find this part tedious and boring, we're going to skip ahead in just a minute to where all the water is painted in. I'd like to point out that when you subscribe to someone's channel on YouTube, it costs you absolutely nothing. It just means that you're following them, and that whenever they post a video, you'll be notified if you hit the bell. Just thought I'd share that with you. And just like that, the water's painted in. Now, most of the time I print up a picture of what I'm working on. This time I'm using my phone. Running low on printer ink. Getting in some of those ripples. Using my blending brush to soften the ripples. Working on the reflection of the bird, even though I haven't painted the bird yet. By the way, I just thought I'd mention that I get my photo references from Pixabay. It's a royalty-free website where you can get all kinds of things. But that's the one that I've been using here lately. Just that I'd share that with you if you're looking for some inspiration. So far through this painting, I've only used one brush, an angle brush, with the exception of my blender brush. When I'm putting in the legs, I could have used a liner brush, but the angle brush does a pretty good straight line, thin, and that's what I needed. Now I'm starting on the white heron. I'm using straight white at this point. And as you see, I'll start putting in the shadows. And I'll use black and blending that. Notice the shadow underneath and the shadow right where his wings start, the back of his neck. There's also a shadow in the groove of his neck up by the top of his head. The small little details is what makes it look real. Alrighty then, we're getting close to the end of part 1 of this painting. Anyway, there's a log that's underneath the reflection there, and we'll paint that on the next episode. But I'd like to thank y'all for tuning in, and I'm trying to get my schedule down to where I'll be posting videos either on Mondays or Tuesdays. That way you know when to look for them. But if you like, subscribe, and hit the bell, you'll be notified. Anyway, again, thank y'all for watching. I really appreciate you. Until next week. Bye.